welcome to SS Classes. Today I will tell you about what is history. History is all about the study of past. If we get too far in the past, we find no material evidence to study history. But as we come closer to the present time, we find the records and testimonials of various events are there which helps us in studying the subject. The study of history is divided into three periods. First, the ancient, second, the medieval, and the third, the modern. Map first. Section of world map made by Al-Idris, 12th century CE. Map second. The Indian subcontinent map from an early 18th century atlas. The medieval period of history is considered to be roughly 1,000 years from the post-Gupta era to the time the Mughal Empire declined and the European trading companies gained economic and political dominance in the subcontinent. Cartography developed significantly after 800 CE, and modern maps helped sailors and traders to sail across seas to travel to various parts of the world. New terminologies emerged with the spread of various regional languages, along with Arabic, Persian, and Urdu. In the study of the medieval period of Indian history, historians could increasingly use textual evidences, since more and more textual records were now available in libraries and archives. Paper became cheaper and more widely used, and manuscripts were written by scribes to record events and development. New technologies, foods and beverages came to the subcontinent along the people who also brought new ideas with them. These brought about wide-ranging economic, political, social and cultural changes, and mobility increased significantly. Chattes came into existence that were subcastes based on people's backgrounds and their occupation. Larger states arose into prominence and encompassed many regions, such as the Delhi Sultan, the Mughals, and the Cholas in the south. Regional states emerged after the decline of the Mughal Empire in mid-18th century. The idea of bhakti developed in regions and Sanskrit texts established a new prominence to Brahmanas. Muslim, Shia and Sunni sects arose in the Arab world in Persia and the Ottoman Caliphate. British historians divided history into the Hindu, Muslim and British periods. So goodbye.